Here we are, Christmas 2012. Fritz is opening his second present. What is it, buddy?
I think it's got plastic on it. Let's hold on a sec. Fritz.
Fritz, you gotta take the plastic off.
Come here.
It's got wrapper on it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hold on a second.
Slow down, slow down. There's the fish tank.
Mommy and Daddy and Fritz all share, right? We all take turns.
What is that?
It's a melting snowman.
Oh, where did it come from?
Build it.
And then it melts into this.
Oh, it's from Auntie Les. Thanks, Auntie Les.
Thanks, Auntie
Can you say
Les.
thanks?
Thanks, Auntie Les.
Yeah.
It's a building snowman.
Cool. Alright, what's one's next?
Now, I'll hand out.
I'm not allowed to open now until last, Mom
Yeah,
said.
Daddy can't open his big one until that. Let's give him that one.
Ooh, cool.
This one.
Alright, who's this from? To Daddy from Fritz and Mom. Alright, I'm gonna open up my first present. Turn this off.
That's all.
Oops.